Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Toyota Rav4 LE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a nice backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, we got roof rails with crossbars as well, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. We got turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front real quick, we got that nice place to put your license plate and that nice Toyota front end. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You even get a cargo mat here. You get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Got a little light back here as well, and you can collapse that row if you need additional storage with more storage with the spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. We got floor mats as well. With a carpeted interior, you can collapse, you can collapse this row if you need more space. And of course, you do get your cup holders and arm space with a cup holder in the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your mirrors, light, lane keep, parking brake, locking diff, and all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 54,141 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your toggle-free screen. You got your trip, collision, cruise control, mode and hold for audio, voice, phone, toggle-free screen, and volume. Looking at your main screen here though, we do get messages, settings, information, all that jazz, lane centering, and all that fun. To my right, we have our parking brake, your gear selects right there, cup holders, more storage, heated front seats. You got some outlets here, 12 volts, sport and eco mode, another 12 volt there. Got that center console with upper and lower storage. You got your climate controls right here as well. Your CD, you got storage here and above, which is pretty nice. Look in here, we have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. Got your car settings right here, so all your information. Yeah, we're just going to clear that out. You got seat track set up for all your screens, and it is a touch screen. You got your general, voice, display, Bluetooth, audio, vehicle, and your general, so all your just basic settings. You got your color theme. You can change the coloring. We're going to go to blue, and your phone controls just right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7951, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.